Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to see how to fix Google Pixel speaker popping sound, stop audio crackling and distortion. Fix 1. Restart your Pixel phone. Press and hold the power button or power plus volume up on newer Pixel models. Then tap on restart. After the phone boots up, play music or a video to check if the popping sound is gone. Fix 2. Test different apps. Play audio from YouTube, Spotify, the Recorder app, and a locally saved video. If the popping only occurs in one app, update or reinstall that app. If that happens everywhere, continue with the next steps. Fix 3. Turn off adaptive sound. Open settings, then tap on sound and vibration and select adaptive sound. Now turn adaptive sound to off and restart your phone and test the speaker again. Fix 4. Reduce audio enhancements. Go to settings, then go to sound and vibration and disable any available audio enhancements such as spatial audio or other sound effects. If you are using an equalizer app such as Wavelet, temporarily disable or uninstall it and test again. Fix 5. Check for Android updates. Open settings, then tap on systems, from there go to software update and install any available update, then restart the phone after installation. Fix 6. Clean the speakers. Remove your phone case if it blocks the speaker. Inspect the speaker grill. Gently clean it using a soft dry brush or lint-free cloth. Avoid inserting metal objects or liquids into the speaker openings. Fix 7. Boot into safe mode. Press and hold the power button and touch and hold power off until safe mode appears. Now tap OK. Test the speaker while in safe mode. If the popping disappears, uninstall recently installed audio or media related apps after restarting normally. Fix 8. Reset all settings or factory reset. If the issue started after a software change in process, back up your important data and perform a factory reset from going to settings, then go to system, tap on reset options, and then click on erase all data factory reset. Now test the speaker before reinstalling apps. Fix 9. Contact Google support. If the speaker still pops after completing all the fixes, the issue may be related to the speaker hardware or an unresolved firmware bug. If your Pixel is under warranty, contact Google Pixel support for diagnostics or a repair/replacement evaluation. Google recommends seeking support if all audio remains distorted after troubleshooting. Thanks for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share, and subscribe to our channel.